Bajaj Capital, 42 years of focus on retail. Bajaj Capital began its journey way back in 1964 from a solitary office at Connaught Place in New Delhi. Today, Bajaj Capital has grown and transformed into a large organization with over 120 investment centers. The concept of investment centers was pioneered by Bajaj Capital 42 years ago to provide expert guidance to investors.
I have my association with the Bajaj Capital for the last about 40 years and always tendered me the right type of advice for investment purpose. Their credibility is so good that even my son is having association with them for the last about 25 to 30 years.
Recently, I was invited from Bajaj Capital to get my financial planning done. I could never imagine the right kind of investment suggested by Bajaj Capital in a scientific manner could give me a worry-free future.
The cornerstone of Bajaj Capital's strength and progress is its continuous focus on retail for 42 long years. This focus has made Bajaj Capital a recognized retail powerhouse. Bajaj Capital now reaches out to every corner of the country, speaks every language, touches every one of our 7 lakh investors and connects with the heart of the common Indian investor. With profound changes shaping the life of India and the way millions of investors now live and work, Bajaj Capital keeps abreast of the latest technological developments.
The way they are able to relate to the customer and bring these financial products in a manner that the customer understands them in his language, I think I find this as a very unique business model. What I like about Bajaj's business model, that it seeks to reach almost every type of investor segment. It's not that Bajaj just focuses on very high net worth or private bank clients. I think they are as concerned about giving the right advice to the guy who's putting 10,000 rupees or even 5,000 rupees in a systematic investment plan.
And particularly I must congratulate KK's son Rajiv. He has pioneered the financial planning discipline, and in fact he was responsible to bring it to our country.
Bajaj Capital has grown quite rapidly and they have a pretty strong presence in the financial advisory retail segment.
I am very happy that the even third generation clients are patronizing grandfather, father, now son. Now our team of 1500 professionals who are MBA finance, chartered accountants and company secretaries all have only one motto, that treat investors' money as your own retired father's money, who has his last saving and who is not in a position to earn again in life.
Bajaj Capital, transporting investors into a new era of wealth creation, where every Indian can reach out to the great Indian dream of progress and prosperity.
Good morning, Bajaj Capital. How can I assist you?